Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I'm still here in the heart of the city, Cubao. Sorry. I'm gonna go there at the other side of the street to check if there's a travel for Bicol, wherein I'm gonna look for Ate Kathy. She's a caller and she is having a what's this? Contacts on traveling through van everywhere here in the Philippines. So, and then the reason why I'm gonna go to her because I'm gonna travel to Bicol to celebrate our town patron tomorrow. Today is the eve of festivity and tomorrow will be the grand festivity, or we may call it in Bicol Kapistahan, or in Tagalog Fiesta. My family doesn't know that I'm gonna go home, so I'm carrying lots of goodies for them to surprise my family. So, and since it's stopped, so just wait for the go signal. Okay, some kind of a heavy. I finished my uploads and I went to my clients to get the payments with me. That's why. What else? So this is Aurora Boulevard. Some kind of tired and exhausted. Wala ka sa ano dahil. So here it is. Go signal. How I wish that there's still a van, otherwise I may not be able to catch up the festivity. It's not the food actually, guys and girls, the family that I wanted to see, and what we call in our town the banquet, wherein our patrons will be having we'll put on the large boat and then we will pass through the oceans, across the oceans. Ocean. Hold on. So how I wish Ate Kathy is still here. So it is bye guys and girls. Bye for now.